In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Instagram stories in Canva. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can quickly create a story design that looks clean, polished, and ready to post. Canva is a great tool for this because it gives you ready-made formats and makes it easy to customize your design without needing advanced graphic design skills. To begin, go to Canva in your web browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're on the main Canva homepage so you can access the design tools and templates. This is where you'll start any new project, including content for social media. From there, click on Create. This opens the menu where Canva lets you choose what kind of design you want to make. The Create option is useful because it helps you jump straight into the right layout instead of starting with the wrong canvas size and having to adjust it later. Next, click on Social Media. Since Instagram stories are a social media format, this category helps narrow down the available design types. Canva organizes its templates by use case, so choosing the correct section saves time and makes the workflow much easier. After that, select Instagram. This tells Canva that you want to work within Instagram-related design options. At this stage, you may see different types of Instagram content, such as posts, Reels covers, and stories. Choosing Instagram first helps you get closer to the exact format you need. Then, click on Instagram Story. This is the option that opens the vertical story canvas, which is sized specifically for Instagram stories. Using the correct format is important because it ensures your design will display properly on mobile devices without awkward cropping or spacing issues. Once your Instagram story canvas opens, add your content. This is the part where you customize the design with your text, images, colors, and any branding elements you want to include. Keep your layout easy to read, especially since stories are viewed quickly. Make sure important text stays centered and not too close to the edges, where interface elements might cover it. If you're using photos, choose images that are clear and visually strong. If you're adding text, use fonts and colors that are easy to read against the background. As you build your story, aim for a clean design rather than trying to fit it in too much at once. A simple, focused story often performs better and looks more professional. And that's it. You now know how to design Instagram stories in Canva, starting from the homepage and ending with your own customized story design.